Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we'll discuss about the verbose mode of LVM. So my VG backup is having free space of 2.15 GB. I will create one more LV create hyphen capital L and size of 1 GB slash dev and hyphen name. We can give LV underscore logs VG underscore backup, but under this I will not get logs. For logs I will put hyphen vvvv 4 times v c. Well, this many logs is unsettled. So let's see. Too much logs we got here. So that's the verbose mode. It will show everything what LVM is doing here. Okay. LVM command line incomplete read is not there. Setting activation 121 process LV create. Command PID is this one, system ID is this one, direct to be used, system global log, resetting SE Linux content. So in the behind of one command these many things are running. See, LVM cache, setting up ID, dev disk by path, PCID alias is SDA in device, cache. So that's all the logs. Sometimes it use full SDB block size, physical disk, physical storage, and everything is calculated, and there are much more log setting responses. Okay, it's checking, initializing 4 KB of logical volume slash backup with the value 0. Okay, now we do VGS and LVS. LVS we have got. So here it got initialized and everything is in place. So that's how, if you want some less details, so you can do only one time verbose and like log I will give log 1 and LVS. Okay, log 1 created. So it has given creating logical volume LV1, creating volume group from backup. Okay, activating logical volume VG backup logical LV log 1, activation volume list, creating of this LV1, loading, resuming, wiping non-signature, initializing 4 KB of logical volume, this thing with value 0, logical volume, this is created. So that's how you can use the verbose mode of LVM, and you can list down or record this for your further use. If you are doing some important activity, you have to use verbose mode to capture all the logs, what was happened while doing this activity, because sometime activity might get fail or might get successful. Okay, if it is getting fail, you should have some logs handy to record it, and you can further ignore those error what you are making that command. So that's all for the verbose mode. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.